Hey everyone, this is Scott Leroy coming in from a weekly tip, and this is around a new free update that we're providing in our virtual tech services. So when you go to scottleroymarketing.com and sign in with your Market Center number, all right, that's going to give you access to the Agent Resources section on here. And when you hover over Agent Resources under Marketing Support, there's going to be a new item accessible for you called Monthly Social Content. So every month, outside of just coming out with a newsletter, a blog, we're now coming out with social content for y'all to utilize as well too. Now this will be pre-done, but obviously if there's anything that you need to adjust, whether you want to update your branding on it, whether you want to add inside some additional information, make sure that it's obviously compliant for your state, this will all be accessible for you to utilize. But to access this right away, just click on Monthly Social Content. And this will show you the month that is set up on here. So right now we've got April ready to go. And it'll have all of the description, the entire copy of everything that you can use right away. So if you just literally want to copy and paste this, you can immediately. All right, so once again, obviously double check, with your office for what is needed on the compliance side to be 100% safe. But inevitably on here, if you want to go through and copy this for each day, you can. If you want to pick and choose days, feel free. But when you click on this section that says click here for the April collateral, this will allow you to edit the templates. So you can add inside your own information if you want to, or you can use everything that we've already created for you right away. So you can literally download this, upload this over inside Command, upload this directly to your social platforms, whatever you'd like to do, but we'll have every date ready to go on here for you for the entire month of April. And once again, it's all free to use and already completed for you. All right. Now, once again, I know I've said this a bunch on here. If you do need anything for state requirements, or if you want to add inside your own information, obviously your own info on here, of your headshot, logo, contact info, whatever it might be, please feel free. But at the bare minimum, if you just want to have some content ready to go with the copy already created, you can utilize this right away. So hopefully this will be a great way to get you out in front of your clients as the real estate agent of choice. And hopefully this will work in conjunction with that monthly newsletter, with our blog, and then of course our Done For You Agent Concierge section. So there you go. So that is a new update available just for y'all as members of our virtual tech services.